Welcome sa Invest Ed. Okay, so kung viewers kayo ng ating channel, no, alam niyo naman na matagal ko na itong nasa watchlist itong Crown Asia Chemical Corporation. Okay, nandito na ngayon itong company sa stage na nasa buy rating ko na to. So, I will take the chance na bilhin na itong company, no.
Welcome to Peso Warrior, the place of future investor. Come to get inspired.
Okay, so ngayon bibili tayo sa company. So, ayan, dito tinitignan ko na kung anong presyo ako bibili. Okay? Nakikita natin dito no, yung bid and ask ng Crown Asia Corporation. So, ayan. Okay, lalagay ko lang yung aking password sa COL Financials. So, para ma-confirm ko yung aking binili sa company. Okay, so dito nakikita natin na executed na yung ating biniling shares sa company. And also, no, kung titignan natin dito sa ating portfolio tracker, nakita natin dito na nandito na sa ating portfolio tracker ang company Crown Asia Chemical Corporation. Okay, so currently lost ako ngayon sa company ng negative 1.75% kasi binili ko pa lang naman itong kakabili ko lang nitong company, no. So yung aking average price sa company nasa 1.76 pesos per share, no. Yung today's price and time na nare-review natin ito ay nasa 1.73 pesos per share. Okay guys?
Crown Asia Chemicals Corporation, formerly Crown Asia Compounders Corporation, is engaged in operating, conducting and maintaining the business of manufacturing, importing, exporting, buying, selling or otherwise dealing in, at wholesale and retail such goods as compounds and other allied or related products. The company produces plastic compounds, pipes and related products for direct and indirect use in the construction and telecommunications industries. Specifically, it is engaged in the production of plastic compounds and polyvinyl chloride, PVC, pellets, and manufacture of plastic pipes. It operates through two segments, compounds and pipes. The products under the compounds segment include PVC compounds for wires and cable, and PVC for bottles, integrated circuit tubes, packaging and films. The products under the pipe segment include PVC pipes and fittings, polypropylene random copolymer type 3, PPR, pipes and fittings, and high-density polyethylene. The company was formerly known as Crown Asia Compounders Corporation and changed its name to Crown Asia Chemicals Corporation in September 2014. Crown Asia Chemicals Corporation was incorporated in 1989 and is based in Guiguinto, the Philippines.
Okay, so bakit ko nga ba binili itong company? First, kung titignan muna natin dito yung current price ng time na nire-review natin ito ay nasa 1.73 pesos per share. So na kung titignan natin dito yung 52-week data ng company, yung kanyang high ay nasa 2.51 pesos per share and yung kanyang low ay nasa 1.73 pesos per share. So, yung kanyang market cap ay nasa 1 billion pesos lang. Ngayon, kung titignan natin dito yung aking intrinsic value sa company, ayan, nakikita natin na nasa 2.19 yung aking current intrinsic value. So, meron na akong upside potential na 26.58% kapag na-reach ng company yung kanyang intrinsic value ngayon, no? Ayan. So, sa COL, BPA Trade, and Graham Formula, no, wala tayong nakuhang information. Sa DCF ay mayroon. Nasa 2.83 yung nakuhang intrinsic value dito. Okay? So, kung titignan natin dito, no, scroll down natin. So, kung titignan natin dito yung sales per region, nakikita natin in 2019 and 2020, yung pinakamalaking contributor ng kanilang revenue ay sa Philippines. Susundan ng Taiwan and other country, no? Okay, so kung titignan naman natin dito yung revenue breakdown, yung pinaka nagko-contribute sa kanilang revenue ay ang kanilang compounds na nasa 51%, susundan ng pipes na nasa 47.8%, roofing na nasa 1.1%. Okay? So although nakikita natin dito sa revenue breakdown na bumaba yung kanilang mga revenue, yes, understandable naman yan, no? Okay, so nung tignan ko yung report ng company, satisfied naman ako sa nabasa ko and I believe to their CEO, no, sa kanilang vision and mission. Now, dumako naman tayo sa company and people. Kung titignan natin dito yung kanilang CEO na si Walter Villanueva, ayan. So, this is the key people ng company. Okay, so one thing na I like sa company, no, in terms of ratio versus industries, kung titignan natin dito in terms of profitability, ang company ay above doon sa kanyang industries. Yan nakikita natin, no? And in terms of management effectiveness, in terms of management effectiveness, nakikita din natin dito also na ang company ay above din sa kanyang industries. So that's one I really like sa company. So pagdating naman sa mga ratio, kung titignan natin dito, no, sinasabi dito sa atin na ang company ay nasa good value base in terms of their revenue per share, tangible book value per share, book value per share. Okay, now, dumako tayo sa aking criteria, no. So dito, no, sa moat, sinasabi sa atin na nasa good pa rin yung kanyang moat, no. Although na bumaba na yung kanyang mga growth rate kasi medyo naapektuhan ng company, no, ng pandemic na nangyayari sa atin ngayon. But still, nasa strong pa rin yung moat ng company. So in terms of free cash flow naman ng company, although na bumaba yung kanyang revenue, bumaba yung kanyang net income, pero yung free cash flow ng company ay tumaas, no. So nakikita natin dito yung kanyang free cash flow na ay nasa 1.71 million pesos. That is a very good and positive sign. So ito ay senyales na pwede pang i-improve ng company yung kanilang businesses. So that's a very good and positive sign, no. Kaya gusto kong i-take advantage itong opportunity ngayon na nasa 52-week low na ang company. Okay? And also, kung titignan naman natin dito yung management, so dito sinasabi sa atin na vina-value ng company yung kanyang mga shareholders. So dito, no, for the past 5 years, sa kanyang return on equity, talagang maganda yung kanyang return on equity, no. So dito sinasabi sa atin na kung gaano ka-efficient ang company to handle others people's money. So dito naman sa return on invested capital, sinasabi dito sa atin kung gaano ka-efficient ang company, no. Ayan, nakikita natin. So talagang nasa synchronize ang company, no, yung kanyang return on equity and return on invested capital. So dito, isa lang ang ibig sabihin yan, wala sila masyadong interest expense na kinikater sa company. So kung titignan natin dito, truly na walang interest expense na kinikater ang company, no. Ayan, nakikita natin dito na sa 0.2. So dito sinasabi sa atin ng debt to earnings na 0.2 years, kaya nilang bayaran yung kanyang long-term debt gamit lamang yung kanyang net income. So remember, gusto natin makita sa debt to earnings ay 3 pababa lang, no. So dito pasok na pasok ang company. So marami pa akong kinonsider na financial ratios and also mga metrics, no. So okay pasok naman ang company and excellent yung kanyang financials. So yes, I buy this company. Okay? So in conclusion, so I buy this company because of fundamentals and also talagang I believe to this company, no. So although nakita natin na mababa yung market cap ng company, nasa 1 billion pesos lang. Yes, mababa. Okay? So hindi masyadong napapansin itong company. So isa sa mga gusto kong strategy ay yung mga hindi napapansin masyadong company, no. And also, no, before I buy this company, I research a lot of time, no, and also before I put this company to my watch list, talagang I research a lot of things about this company. I research about their mission, vision, values, and yung future prospect nila, no. I really like this company, so kaya binili ko itong company ngayon, no. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang muna yung ating review or ang ating video dito sa company ngayon. So maraming salamat sa suporta nyo sa ating channel. And this is Pesy Warrior, guys, nagpapaalalang invest wisely and see you on the other side.
Maraming salamat sa panonood. So if you want to expand your investing knowledge, make sure na nakasubscribe ka and pindutin mo na rin ang bell button para ma-notify ka sa mga bagong videos na lalabas dito sa ating channel. And once again, this is Pesy Warrior na nagpapaalalang invest wisely and see you on the other side.